CT6 Spec, a model for mid to thin wall packaging products with excellent cost performance. This new series range from 220 to 500 tons is available in 8 models. This new debut series inherits the ideas of high cycle molding and also incorporates the benefits of the standard machine. The CT6 Spec has a mold clamping device that inherits the essential features such as DCPP and linear guide that are required for high cycle molding, and it also features a higher mold mounting capacity with its wide and square tie bar spacing design. One of the advantages of this machine is downsizing. For example, a mold that has been previously mounted on a 350-ton machine can be mounted onto a 280-ton model of the CT6 Spec. The plasticizing unit of the CT6 Spec has achieved a higher plasticization performance with emphasis on cost performance through the combination of a dosing motor equivalent to that of a standard machine and a screw assembly for packaging products. In addition, its maximum injection velocity has been raised to approximately 2 times higher than that of a standard model, allowing it to support mid to thin wall packaging products. Furthermore, it is equipped with a sensing function that is useful for monitoring temperature of key components of the machine and also predicting their replacement time. It contributes to improved machine reliability and also reduce machine downtime. As for conventional machines, when a machine failed, production suspension could be prolonged due to an unplanned order of parts, which may need longer delivery time. This sensing function enables prediction of component failure during production, and so by arrangement of replacement components in advance could help to reduce lead time. As described above, CT6 Spec contributes to improved productivity of mid to thin wall packaging products molding with dedicated packaging features and maintain its superiority in cost performance. An 8-cavity dessert cup with L/T 220 can be achieved at 6.0 seconds molding cycle by the SC220 EVS CT6 Spec. Sumitomo Demag.